Good evening and welcome back, my beautiful people. You don't know me there today. Don't know what we are doing. We cook some Indian food night, guys. You see me? Watch out. I'm showing it. We are camp too. So right now, guys, time hotter daytime out there. Hot. So you don't know concrete house to live in and things. So when everything comes down, cause my AC is not working now, guys. So don't know. We have to outside. Yeah, man. So we are camp tonight on the roof, guys. And we are cook some Indian food. Let me show you what we are going to run down. So guys, tonight we are cook some dal and bat. We are cook dal and bat. We have split peas and we have some cow peas. And special shout out to guys to Miss Anne Marie. Yeah man, she carried my subscriber. She bring them seeds here for me. Them say yo, you have to try them. You see me? Yes guys. So special shout out, a wonderful lady, beautiful lady man. Yes guys. So you don't know we have a regular Maggi all-purpose and chicken. Yeah, we have some Indian curry. This is another knockoff curry, guys. We have some oil and buckle. You don't know, we have the water for cook, sugar. We have the pressure cooker for pressure the peas. We have the flour for make the roti tonight, guys. And we have some turn ear mango cut up on the yassa, guys. Yeah, man. So we are doing some mango takari too, guys. You see me? And look at that. Scallion and onion and whole heap of garlic. Yeah, man, peeps. So anyway. Me and Mikey there tonight, guys. Remember Mikey from the last video? Look in the description, you see the video. You seen peeps, sir? The beer fisherman, this guys. When I say, yo, what the man you do for the yeah, man, I ain't see him, man. So anyway, guys, without further ado, I'll catch up for you now. So we're outside now, you know? Yeah. Outside for the next banger. You know, yeah, guys, I don't know. Don't want to let in the mosquito and I think, guys, because I will leave a mosquito out now. Hey, we're gonna sneak peek inside the tent. We have the bed blow party, guys. So go on. One room, you know. Yeah, well comfortable. And make sure to take off the top, guys, so you can see the stars them tonight. Look, I'm showing you. Off top, so in case the rain won't fall, we just don't know, we just get up and throw on by top, but we take off top, get some fully fresh air, guys. You see me? Yeah man, we're on a East Indian mango tree, guys. I don't know if you know East Indian. Yeah man, that is a East Indian mango. Right over here, that whole heap of ripe mango pan it now, peeps. A whole heap of mango wheat after it already too. So go on. Yes my peeps, so you don't know, we have a split peas in the pot. And cow peas, so and the red peas, so we're gonna do rinse off this. You want to get this a nice shake off any dust with the pan, guys. Yeah. Alright. See that, guys? Okay. Yeah, and I really dirt this now, guys. Isn't it? I just some the grinding off of the other peas them. Yeah man, just like how you have the rice. Dust. Yeah, peas dust. Okay peeps, so I'm going to go ahead and add the peas to the pressure cooker. So need me two on now. So put on the camera. As you can see, guys, I'm alone there right so okay guys, so I have the whole of my peas in the pot now. So I'm gonna add a little of baking powder and then I cover the pot. Let that go and boil up, you know. So do a thing like this now. Close the pot, peeps. All gone. I cook away, I do. Yeah, guys, so every time I like the pot in it, always give me a fight. You know, I'm like something wrong with it, you know, from a bite. Alright, so close. Wait, I'm supposed to see it close so fast. Alright, so make that go on still, guys. So I have the pot over here so for the mango. So on now, peeps. I'll pour some oil. I think that is enough. So we are doing now, we add 2 peg of garlic to the pot where the curry mango are going up, peeps. And we have the peas there, so season up the pot with the scallion, onion, and the garlic already, guys. So this now for the mango, we're gonna get the garlics burned, and we're gonna put a piece of scotch bonnet inside and make that flavor of the oil. After we do that, we burn the Indian curry, guys. So let me walk you through the process and show you what's up. Yes, peeps. So have the peas also, just to get hot. I'll give it a quick stir. You know, looking good already, guys. So when the start pressure now on the peas cook up, it'll get thicker, guys. See me? And the garlic will also start burning already. So I'm gonna put the pepper in the pot and then get the curry and burn it. Alright, that's supposed to be good enough, peeps. So when the curry gets too black on it, guys, we're gonna turn it. Like this. Maybe a quick stir, please. And just watch that come alive, guys. You get the pot cover and you cover it down. It's cooked similar to chicken, guys. You see me? But you're gonna do it like this first. Burn the curry. They add everything else after, guys. You see me? Yeah. So when you see it start like it a cook, like it start steam up, you add water to it. Okay, peeps, so I want to get some of this total seasoning on this. Yeah, man. But all with the garlics and the onion and everything cut up like this, guys. Just want to do that, just that over it. And I get the water portion for a bit of water in this, guys. Alright, not too much. So you want that nice and thick, guys. Look at that. Yes, please. So I'll give it a quick stir after you pour the water. Hold on. That's it. Looking good already, Pete. Yes, my please subscribe to Jamaica Adventures. We don't know curry mango on the block. We have some dal and bath over here, so guys, we're going to show you what I want. Yeah. So don't know, did a quick story. Okay, peeps, so I want to add my brown sugar now, specifically using brown sugar, guys. Don't use any other sugar but brown sugar, right? Yeah, man. So that's what the sugar do. The sugar bring up the taste, and because the mango turn, guys, the mango sour, right? So the sugar bring up the taste, so it give a little sour effect only after you eat the outside of the mango. Like the meat part of the mango, after you eat off the meat, when you reach the seed, you get the sour effect. That's the right effect, guys. Yeah, man, that's what the sugar does. Nice. See? Alright, I think that is enough. I'm gonna give it a quick stir, guys, and then cover down the pot and let that cook. So I had to put this on the ground, on the roof, I should say. Go and let out here, and I'm going to take on the dal and bath, guys. You want to the fire fix up too. Do a thing like that. Don't try this at home, peeps. Do not attempt to try this at home. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna get a sneak peek at the curry. mango. Alright, it's coming on good, peeps. Look at that. Only if you could smell that, guys. Yes, peeps. So, all of the air let out. What? Look at that. Yeah, guys, so you need to take off the pressure cooker top right now. As so, no, because we need to look more water, because look at a pizza cook like a pizza iron, man. Iron pizza, oh, you cook one. Where is it? Where is it, peeps? Look at that. They're looking good. So anyway, guys, I'm going to put this back on the fire. Put some more ground purpose and night season, like season. And then add some salt to it. I'm going to get some pepper and put night. You see me? You don't know Indian food, guys. It's spicy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put back the pressure cooker cover upon it. I'll jack this right so. Just like that. And show you what I got. That is it. Yes, my peeps. So, oh, the mango look like it has come to the end of its journey, you know, guys. Look at that. Yeah, man, you see what I go on, peeps? So the gravy nice and thick. You don't want to do all the gravy they cook out, you know. So look at that. Taste the mango them. You see the mango them soft and thing. That means everything that's a cook, guys. So this can come off of the fire. I'll take off this off of the fire now. And then I make the dal go and cook down more, guys. We just add some pepper and some salt tonight. Yeah, man. I make this go on. Take it off of the fire, and then we need the flour for roti, guys. We bake 2 roti, you know, some oil roti. Oh, I seen bone, my guys. Yes, man, that looking good. Look at that. That Japanese skin naman not normal. Alright, guys, so we add back this pan of fire. I make it get a little thicker because I don't know when you take it up, because certain circumstances. So we'd have to season our pot, guys. Make the pot get the right flavor. Put more pepper in it. Put everything in it. Yeah, man, dig up the lower part. Them peas are tough doing, guys. That's how I know. I split peas cook long time. So we're gonna leave this like this, guys. I just turn the pot cover upside down and make it get thicker than how it is. They will start beating the roti, them, guys. I need the flour. Show me what I go on. Okay, my peeps. So this is one of the final ingredients to go towards the dal and bath. So guys, as this simmer down, we'll get this a little bit thicker. So while I'm going to take this off the fire, guys, the dal and bath off the fire, I'm going to burn those black as black as I can, guys. And then the oil with the garlic I'm going to put on top of the dal, guys, and let it simmer and let it marinate inside. And then you're gonna have the wicked garlic taste. Yeah, man, that's the taste you want to have in the dal and bath. You see, peeps? That is it. Too much. Yes, my peeps, as you can see, I have a flour need out there, guys. So what me basically, I make some roti now. I'm basically having them. I have baking powder, I have salt, and you can use butter. Any butter for your choice, guys. Yeah, man, but oil me use, you see me, because oil roti me, I make oil roti them name, you see me? So what you want to do, first thing you want to do, I get something to roll them. So what me use, guys, is a rum backer, you see me? Guarantee full strength, a rum in there, you know? So, one thing like this, peeps. And you want flour the backers too, so, or anything you use to roll them, so it don't stick on thick. You do a thing like this. You want to get the round shape there, you don't know, you have to take it up and roll it. You want to get it flat, or any out to your liking, guys. Me like my roti flat, thin. You see me? Thin. So you have to roll it according to the pot cover, guys, because it's not too big, you see me? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna make one and show you what I go and then make the rest of the roti them, you see, guys, because I'm alone there now. And you don't know what things yet. Alright, so buckler, you want to keep the buckler all sanitized all the time, guys. You see me? So something like this. You can go and rest it down this, so alright, come in. So A spoon. Alright, I say you need a spoon. Pot on fire hot. Pot cover. That thing like this. Alright. Peeps, as you can see the pot cover is hot already, you see me?
Yes.
So, as you can see, pot cover is hot already. I got hot roti. To the pot cover, peeps. And this is how oil roti is made. Here guys, don't make nobody tell you nothing.
Okay.
See you me so. You want to have whole heap of roti, you have steak roti, all type of roti. Oil roti, dal roti. Same dal you see me cook up guys, that can make roti, you see me? And roti don't take too long to bake. One peeps? Wait, that's why they bake. You want it bake, you don't want it burn, you know. Don't make it burn, none at all, guys. You see me? Because you see thin it be, fast side cook. Yeah, one to spoon, give me a fight. Thin it be, fast side cook. See that? All you do, you just want to apply oil, guys. Oil?
Yes.
Right good for this, because the oil roti. Have you said oil roti name?
Yes.
Listen, Jacob, you can make oil roti?
Yes.
Yeah? Who teach you, daddy?
Yes.
Me teach you. Who teach you?
Me.
Yeah?
Me.
You teach yourself? Yeah? Just you go on. You don't know you can cook on you.
We need to put
You say, boy, bread and tea, yeah? Bread and tea, say, I tell him father, say, don't video him, you know. They know where we're going. Yo, tell people them, aye. Say, hello.
Hello.
How you doing, guys?
How you doing, guys?
Alright, so peeps, this is one roti for the night.
I'm ready to the night.
Come in, come a little closer and show the peeps them. Where I go. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, you see, if you look, peeps, you look and you see them look white there, just add a little oil. And then you use a spoon and sink it down them bubble here. So, just like that. And the roti is fully baked. You see me? And what you want to do? Go so now. Bam. Take it up and put it in a container, guys. It's hot enough. Hot. Alright, guys, so as you see, a whole heap more for making it.
Yeah.
A whole heap more roti for making. I'm going to make them and show you the food. I'll show you what I go on. You see me? Yes, man, peeps, because I'm cooking a mouse, so I'm not too bad. You see me? Just make him come hold the camera for me. So you don't know we outside like all the time. Guys, remember, like, share, subscribe. We don't know we outside. We're on the board, bread and tea. And we're camp tonight.
Yeah.
3. Yes, guys, so we're going now. In product here. Share our food time.
So the end product.
Yeah, man. So this is the mango, guys. This is the mango nice and thick. That's how you want it to be, you know? Yeah, man. I don't know the dal over here, so peeps. Dal and bat. Look at that. Nice. Look at that one. I don't see, so we have the roti them, guys. The oil roti. Over here, so you know all things going now, so I have to start share our food, you know. You know, so I just grab a spoon like a rooftop with it, guys. Come on. I just go and grab 2 roti. And that's a job out. Just 2 chips. Just like that. Oh, the small one. Might one more. So, I'll try and play this. I want to do all that. Alright. My plate. No. On 2. Yannick. Like this. I think I want to order for. Two. Alright. Yeah, my peeps, watch out. Hot. Hot. So everybody I get a 2 slices of mango, guys. And let it go. Two slice. I'll share it out and see a card in, you know. Oh. Among the smell nice, you know, boy. The first smell fully nice. We don't climb down go get them in so far and come from?
So far?
Yes, man. We don't climb down.
So man, this a turn my belly, man.
That's it. Ready? Ready. Yes, peeps. So, something like that. Gravy. I get some gravy.
I done more for my gravy. Yeah?
Dal off your gravy?
Yes, guys.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, man, me too. Pink plate of mine, yeah.
I two of them I get now.
No, man, you don't wanna leave a man.
So, watch it, Pat. Like this one. Yes, peeps. Come look a bit closer there. Come look a bit closer there. I'll show you peeps them more. Go on. See that?
Just like that.
Just like that, peeps. Alright,
Hey.
so.
It's a caption man can't come on.
Yes,
no.
guys. So, end product can know. So we are gonna test the food and tell you what I want. But the food smells nice. Yes, man. So I'm gonna eat some food and come in. Alright, go. What you say, Joey? How you think?
Active man cider.
Yeah, dal, you know.
Best thing this right now, man.
Yeah, man. Joey, first might dal and back, guys, and mango. How the mango taste? Taste the mango, no? You taste the mango yet?
Taste piece.
Taste the mango and see what I got. Yeah, the sourness and the sweetness combined,
Nice
is it?
one.
Yeah,
Hey.
what? Active one. The outside, you know? What's it do?
Mango is sweet.
Yeah?
Nice, man.
Join, where's it going? Active, eh?
So, yeah, you well done, you see. Yeah,
Yes,
man.
man.
Guys, kind of beat off one of mine already. Still have a next one there. Curry mango, dal and bat, then turn me in Indian.
Yeah, guys, so don't know me, I go enjoy my food and know. And they couldn't know what I go on for what I go on. Yeah, man. So, join the journey. All listen there, please and thanks. Yes, man, guys. So, wait, first thing first, you know what? You know what me along for, peeps? Mango. We go straight ahead and go for the mango. Yo.
Outside.
Guys, but the mango sweet and it's sour same time, and the pepper, pepper is peachy, guys. That's peachy. You know, too hot, you know.
What's your name again?
Roti. Guys, quick cook up this name, quick cook. You see me? I don't see a camp. Alright. Yeah, guys, as you can see, hold on there. Food too nice. Join the journey, join me in the night, guys. So, we finish eating food. We are camp. We are go live at the morning. So, guys, remember, like, share, subscribe. You can leave him link down in the description, guys. You can go over to his channel. That is it. Thanks for the support all the time, you see me? Miss Anne-Marie, thanks again, you see me, for the season.
Hey, that taste the mango and
Me chose some of this sniper in the peeps. I don't know a first time I taste the season, first time I use them season, but that is it.